Hi, my name is Yesi Teresia. Non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases, also known as chronic diseases, tend to be of long duration and are the result of a combination of genetic, physiological, environmental, and behaviors factors. The main types of NCDs are cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and stroke, cancer, chronic respiratory diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, and asthma and diabetes. NCDs disproportionality affect people in low and middle income countries where more than 3/4 of global NCDs, that 32 million occur. Who is at risk of such diseases? People of all age groups, regions, and countries are affected by NCDs. The condition are often associated with older age groups, but evidence shows that 15 million of all deaths attributed to NCDs occur between the ages of 30 and 69 years of age. Premature deaths of 85% are estimated to occur in low and middle income countries. Children, adults, and the elderly are all vulnerable to the risk factor contributing to NCDs, whether from unhealthy diets, physical inactivity, exposure to tobacco, smoke, or the harmful use of alcohol. Thus, the diseases are driven by forecasts that include rapid unplanned urbanization, globalization of unhealthy lifestyles, and population gain. Unhealthy diets and a lack of physical activity may show up in people as raised blood pressure, increased blood glucose, elevated blood levels, and obesity. These are current metabolic risk factors that can lead to cardiovascular diseases, the leading NCDs in terms of premature deaths. Prevention and control of NCDs. Important way to control NCDs is to focus on reducing the risk factor associated with these diseases. Low-cost solution exist for governments and other stakeholders to reduce the common modifiable risk factor. Monitoring progress and trends of NCDs and their risk is important for guiding policies and priorities. To lessen the impact of NCDs on individuals and society, a comprehensive approach is needed. requiring all sectors, including health, finance, transport, education, agriculture, planning, and others, to collaborate to reduce the risks associated with NCDs and promote intervention to prevent and control them. Investing in better management of NCDs is critical. Management of NCDs, including detecting, screening, and treating these diseases, and providing access to palliative care of people in need. High impact essential NCDs intervention can be delivered through a primary healthcare approach to strengthen early detection and timely treatment. Evidence shows such intervention are excellent economic in first term because if provided early to patients, they can reduce the need for more expensive treatment. Thank you.